Hello everybody and welcome back to skidsteers.com. I'm Isaac and today we're going to be bringing you the BD pattern set of tracks, also known as your bi-directional tracks. These tracks are manufactured with a high quality rubber compound, as well as it has those continuous steel cables running throughout the track. This is going to help ensure a longer life on the set of tracks, as well as not allowing that rubber to break down as quickly. The set of tracks here are going to be best used on lawns or when you're doing landscaping work or anything like that on people's yards without leaving a large footprint or tearing up those yards because of that bidirectional tread pattern. This is going to give you exceptional float as well as a smoother ride than you may see with, let's say, a block tread or a C-tread track. And the reason being is you've got this tread that runs all the way across the set of tracks rather than it being just on the left and the right side, where when you ride, it's not as even because you may have a block tread in one spot and then on the other side, that block is going to be a little bit higher placed. And so you're going to have a little less of a smooth ride. Something that you will get with the bidirectional tracks that is really nice is excellent traction with that amazing float. So you're going to be able to get that traction you may be looking to get if you're on dirt or mud or in snow, or if you're out in fields or pastures and you're doing work on the farm, or if you're doing any forestry work, you're going to be able to get that traction you may be looking to get while also having a very heavy duty set of tracks. So the tracks themselves are going to be 2.5 inches thick from the bottom to the top of the tread here. And then that tread itself is going to be 1.5 inches tall from the bottom to the top of that tread. So you're going to have a lot more hourage of use before seeing the tracks themselves getting bald or wearing or tearing or anything like that. You'll also notice that the tread pattern itself, the width of this is going to be 2 inches across. So you are, again, getting a very thick tread pad or piece of tread that is very heavy duty and can still take that abrasion from, let's say, sharp rocks, sticks, or anything like that. One application that I probably wouldn't recommend the tracks is going to be something like a construction site or a scrapyard. And this is being because you've got more edge, you've got more bite and groove. So if you do grab onto any of those sharp metals or a nail or anything like that that gets caught in between this tread, it's going to wear away at the tread a lot faster than something like your block or your C-tread. One other thing that makes these a very heavy duty set of tracks is on the inside here where your undercarriage rides, there's going to be a little bit of rubber or rubber coating over that metal that your sprocket rides along. So that is going to prevent the undercarriage on your machine from wearing as fast. So when that sprocket is being rid around by the tracks themselves, you're going to not see the teeth of them being dulled as fast, as well as shortened maybe, where you would then need replacements on your sprockets. We are offering free shipping on this set of tracks, so if you are to order the pair, we are able to get these out the door to you the same day, if not for sure the next day, with that free shipping. If you are interested or have any questions, feel free to give us a call here. Our number is 866-315-3134. You can also click the link in the description below to pull up our page with any additional information, features, or photos that we may have on there. Thank you all very much for watching. We do appreciate it, and you all have a great rest of your day.